Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2230 single, loosen the screw securing the side cover and slide the cover off the system to remove it. Identify the solid-state drive configuration, loosen the screw. Lift the drive configuration out of the system. Flip it over. Remove the screw. Lift the drive from its bracket. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2230 single, align SSD with the solid-state drive bracket. Replace the screw. Flip it over. Slide the solid-state drive assembly into the slot. Replace the screw. Place the side cover on the chassis by aligning the tabs on the side cover with the slots on the chassis. Slide the side cover towards the rear of the computer. Tighten the screw. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.